Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this quick and easy upcycling tutorial, I'll show you how I refashioned a plain black sweater simply by adjusting the collar and adding a ribbon detail and tie. I bought this top thrifting for $1. I make it my mission these days to buy the saddest, ugliest clothes I can find at the op shop that I don't think anyone will want, and this was that top. The first step was to get rid of the out of shape collar. To do this, I simply folded it inward and top stitched it down. This created a stiff Mandarin style collar, which I love. Next, I went through my box of ribbons and found a color that would elevate this boring top. I ended up picking a dark gold ribbon. After pinning it in place to the new collar, I top stitched it in place on the sewing machine, running one seam at the very bottom of the ribbon edge and another at the very top, trying to sew as close as possible to the edge so the ribbon wouldn't lift up in time. To keep the new collar tie pointing downwards, I hand stitched it in place. Then, to add a little bit more interest, I found some gold tassels in my little bag of tricks and hand stitched these to the ends of the ribbon ties. The ends of the sleeves were stretched out of shape, so I sewed a new elastic sleeve hem. I do this all the time, and you can see exactly how I do this in lots of my other sewing tutorials. And finally, I got rid of the pilling balls that were all over the fabric, especially under the arms. I simply use a razor to do this, and here it is finished. I was really happy with this transformation. Now this daggy old top is enjoying a second life in my wardrobe when it undoubtedly would have ended up in landfill. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more quick upcycling and refashioning projects like this one, please throw me a thumbs up. It really helps. I upload sewing and upcycling videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.